call me out upon the waters, the great unknown, where feet may fail. And there
Una, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from any part of the world when Una they listen to me today. My name now William Story, and I bring Una the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens devotional on a daily message book with the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye writes. Today now Wednesday, 16th October 2024, and our topic today now the future you. Our memory verse dey for Deuteronomy chapter 4 verse 9. But make una look well, make una dey careful so that una no go forget wetin una don take una eyes see. As long as una dey this life, make una no let these things comot from una mind o. Make una make sure say una tell una children and grandchildren about these things. Our Bible reading dey for Deuteronomy chapter 6 verse 6 to 7, and it talks say, this word when I dey command una about today so, una must keep am for una mind, and una must teach una children. Come talk about am as una sit down for house, dey waka for road, dey sleep, or when una wake up. Now the message. No matter how you take try reach, you no go fit live forever o. The only way wey you go fit continue to dey live for the next generation na through your children. Na the reason why you suppose train your children well be this o. You don learn so many lessons for this life. Some of them na from the mistake wey you don make from past. You need to make sure say the people wey you go live when you don die don learn these lessons, so that dem no go fit make the same mistake wey you make. If your children come make the same mistake wey you make, e mean say you never teach them, and that one no good at all o. Na where you stop dem suppose start from. Dem no suppose repeat your mistakes at all. If you be papa and you no wan make your children better pass you, this one mean say your greatness go die with you. Abraham dey great, Isaac come dey great pass am, but Jacob na him great pass them. Na the way things suppose be this o. Many years ago, before God give me private jets, one of my pikin buy private jets, and some people come dey criticize me say why I go dey dedicate the private jet for public when me wey be him papa never even get Mercedes Benz. Na him I come tell them, this jet na my son get am o, abeg show me wetin your son get. I dey always ask my children make dem pray say make I no die very soon, because na where I stop dem go start from. Some of my children don be pastors for church wey big pass the one when I be the pastor when I first become general overseer. If plenty people read Proverbs chapter 30 verse 22, dem dey always dey think say the property wey Bible talk na only money im be. If you be good man, the property wey you go leave for your children go pass money o. The most important property to leave for them go be wisdom, and you go also leave influence. You go leave good name, property, and many other things. So you go make sure say you train the people wey go continue from where you stop. Sometimes you go need to leave some things wey you dey do now, so you go fit train them well, because you go need to invest for your future self. Sometimes I dey always take my children and grandchildren go village where we go just dey alone together. This kind times I dey always dey tell them tori, answer their question, and we go just enjoy nice time together. I don dey leave property for my future self be that o. I hope say you dey do the same thing. The thing wey we suppose think for today message be say, how much you dey invest for your future you. I thank una as una lis ten to the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day o. Till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.
Your grace abounds in deepest waters. Your sovereign